Welcome to page 6 of Accel Packet number 5. On this page, we're going to be discussing the line of best fit. Let's begin together. A line of best fit is a line on a scatter plot drawn near the points to show a trend between two sets of data. To draw the line of best fit, here are some tips. Fit the line through as many points as you can. Try to get an equal number of points above and below the line. Ignore any extreme points. We know those as outliers. And lastly, it may happen that none of the points lie on the line. Let's take a look at two scatter plots we've been given. Let's start with the first one. The line of best fit for the data in the scatter plot below slants up, indicating a positive correlation. The slope of this line of best fit is a positive value, and its intercept is about 3. So we've been given this scatter plot with a variety of dots. It's our job to draw a line through those points, trying to best represent the data. Clearly, this has a positive slope, and the intercept is located at about 3. So, based on the information we're given, we can write an equation for this particular line of best fit. Now, it's not going to be the exact representation, but it's going to come very close. Let's take a look at the scatter plot we've been given to the right. It looks at speed, that's your X value, and the miles per gallon, that's your Y value. And clearly, points have been plotted. Let's read. The line of best fit for the data in the scatter plot below slants down, indicating a negative correlation. The slope of the line of best fit is negative, that's a typo, and its y-intercept is about 28. So here is our y-intercept, and drawing the line that best represents these points, we see that there is a negative slope. And based on our line, we can write an equation mx plus b equals y. Keeping in mind this slope, of course, will be negative. Let's read on. To write an equation for the line of best fit, you must use the slope-intercept form of a line, y equals mx plus b. After you have drawn the line of best fit, you must estimate its slope from any 2 points on the line whose coordinates you can read. You're going to need 2 good readable points. And from there, you can calculate the slope, your delta y over your delta x, and you can also figure out what your y-intercept is. Once you have those 2 pieces, you can write an equation for the data. mx plus b equals y. Read the information below and continue your study of the line of best fit. This concludes the video for this page, page 6.